Okay, so I've just gone and put some oil in my burner quickly. So I've got a little bit of smoke around it. Temperature, I've restricted it down to about 500. I flattened this out and got it working again. Now, the interesting thing is I went outside a minute ago and I just happened to look up at my neighbour's chimney. He spent a fortune on a certified eco-friendly burner, and I've got a home waste oil burner. I hope the camera can pick it up. See that little bit of smoke coming out of there? Yeah? And then look, my waste oil burner. Look, my homemade piece of crap made out of scrap metal, blaring away now over 500 degrees, and thousands of pounds worth of home multi-fuel burner, I think it is, that he's had. So that can burn like coal and it can burn logs, and he spends a lot of money on his fuel. And I'm just like, yeah, well, you know, waste oil does it for me. Look at that. Got a little fan here to blow some air on it, because, you know, spread the heat around a little bit. Eventually that will fall off. As it gets hotter and hotter, the magnetism gives out. So yeah, so it's absolutely shocking that. I just thought I'd show you that. It was quite a tickle. Look, let's come right back. So you're watching the chimney over here, right? And that is meant to be smokeless coal, I think my neighbour's using in there, right? Me on this skinny tube here with waste oil in a DIY heater. I'm all about the environment. I don't want to see the world end and all that lot, right? And I know government don't like you burning waste oil, but if you can burn it at home or in companies and that cleanly with something so simple, why have you got to pay a fortune to be allowed to use it? You know, and I know some people say you're not allowed to use it, but when this country fixes all the things that's wrong with it, right, then they can come and have a word with me about me doing something illegal. Until then, they can kiss my ass, because this country's just broken right now. I thought I'd quickly add this in at the end. I'm just going to move this in case anyone's wondering what it is, right? So this is off of a little stove. That's what happens if you don't restrict the airflow. And this is like the first one ever made, so I've never bothered making another one. So yeah, it's chuffing away like that. And I got my thing stuck, so I can do this without putting the camera down. There we go. Right, put that on it. Oh, don't think I got it quite on there. Yeah, put that on there, and there you go. Isn't that neat? Yeah. Something so simple. Mind you, there is an occasional little bit. That's what I use the sand for. Sometimes I pack a bit of sand around it, because when it all heats up, everything starts to move a little bit. So if I make another one of these, I'm going to put like a little funnel here, because it will help pouring the oil in anyway, and also at the same time I can just put a piece of gauze over, because I think it's the gauze that really helps, and do it that way. I mean, I can, if I want to completely stop it, I can put that big old thing on there again, but you know, it's just a pain in the arse.